Hi everyone, this is Shai, and we are looking at a mid-cap Nifty today because we have two important settlements for the mid-cap Nifty the coming week, Monday as well as Friday, because of the holiday which is there on the 2nd of October. So here's the mid-cap Nifty in market profile. You may have seen a lot of charts about the mid-cap Nifty in those bars, those candles, and everything. Okay, you look at, but this is a specialist picture coming to you via the market profile. So this was the big day, the 12th of September, when we had this open drive down and the markets dipped and gave away all that gain, okay, which was there, okay, of those past few sessions. This is a very strong open drive, and if you understand the market profile, you would know, okay, that this was institutional selling coming into the mid cap Nifty. So this is what really happened. The market, okay, dived down that day and it continued the next day. What really happened, okay, on this day, on the 13th, the market, okay, put in what we call the failed auction at this zone over here. This is a failed auction, hence a floor, okay, was established to the market, and the market, okay, stopped going lower. So this is the failed auction point at 8875 in the mid cap Nifty. If you are trading into mid cap and you have, okay, an eye on the mid cap Nifty, you need to memorize and record somewhere that 8875 is a failed auction in the mid cap Nifty. Now up above, once that failed auction happened, the market, okay, moved up. But as you know, okay, this is institutional level selling, and anybody who understands the market profile would also know that this is a strong sign of a reversal. So we moved up subsequently. Okay, we tried, okay, to move higher, but we've not, and this is, okay, where we are. So what am I looking at for the coming week? Let me move, okay, to a weekly profile, and this is the weekly. I'm with the mid cap spot. This is not the future I'm looking at, but if you can make out, okay, this is a responsive selling coming in, and this week we've been progressing down. So what I am looking for is in the coming week, back to the daily profile for the settlement, okay, of Monday. My interest, okay, would be on a small move lower, which will bring me back into, which is around 8937 in the spot, and a retest, okay, of this FA zone. There is, okay, a lot of supply, okay, which is coming at this zone. So this, okay, to me is resistance, okay, for the coming week, right up to about 91 levels. What I will be looking for in the week to come, based on the evidence of the market profile. Now all of you who follow us know that we look at three things. One is the structure of the market, which is evidence to us via the market profile. We also look at what the positioning of the entire market is. This is the open interest picture for the mid cap Nifty at the end of our trading, which is on Friday, the 22nd of September. And you can see, okay, that this zone is building up into resistance 9100, but these puts have to be careful into the coming week. I do see this holding up and the market, okay, moving lower, okay, to test this zone, the strike around 9000. So this is the broad structure of the market. This is the broad positioning of the market, and the final thing, okay, left over here is actually an order flow chart. But in the order flow, there is not a lot, okay, to be deciphered for the mid cap Nifty. So I'm gonna give this a skip and focus more, okay, my attention on the mid cap Nifty space via the market profile chart, and that should, okay, help to understand a lot more about what the mid cap Nifty can do. One quick thing, okay, before we wind this up, let's look at where the mid cap is in terms of the spectrum, and that also is positioned, okay, for a range of about 9000 to about 9100 on the upside. So this is my bias. This 9100 is going to be a heavy resistance for Monday, and definitely, okay, the series, okay, to follow from there has to test this. Whether it comes in on Monday or in the settlement, we have to see. But this looks like a very good chart, okay, to short some calls early on Monday morning, right? So I leave you with that. I wish you the best. Remember, there are two settlements for the mid cap Nifty the coming week. Monday and Friday, you make the most out of it.